In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected through HubSpot's app marketplace, so your meetings and webinars can sync smoothly with your CRM. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot portal and that you have permission to install apps. If you don't see the options I mention, you may need an admin to grant access. Begin on your HubSpot home screen. This is your central dashboard where you can access all tools and settings. If you manage multiple portals, double-check you're in the correct account so the integration installs in the right place. Look to the top navigation bar and find the Marketplace icon. It typically resembles a small storefront and sits alongside your main menu controls. Click that icon to open the menu of available marketplaces and tools. From the menu, choose the HubSpot Marketplace, also called the App Marketplace. This opens a dedicated page where you can browse and connect third-party apps that work directly with HubSpot. You'll see a search bar near the top, along with categories and filters that help you pinpoint what you need. In the search bar, type Zoom. Give the page a moment to load the results. You'll likely see several options related to Zoom, including the primary Zoom app integration. Spelling matters here. Typing the full name helps surface the official listing quickly. If results feel crowded, a quick glance at the app publisher and category can help you spot the right one. Click the Zoom listing to open its details page. This page is helpful because it outlines what the integration does, the data it can access, and how it connects meeting information with your contacts, companies, and activities. Take a moment to review the overview and compatibility notes so you understand what will sync once it's installed. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through any on-screen confirmations so you can proceed confidently. If you're prompted to review permissions or select the appropriate HubSpot account, follow the prompts and make sure the chosen portal is correct. If the Install button is unavailable, you may not have the required permission level, and an admin can assist. That's it. After installation completes, your Zoom activity can begin flowing into HubSpot based on the integration's defaults. You'll be set up to save time, keep records accurate, and make your follow-ups more efficient. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Zoom to HubSpot connection.